Alright, it's day 4 and Tony's just about to leave. He's got to head east and home, and tomorrow I'll be leaving here to head west for more adventure. Coldest night so far last night, but I was quite comfortable in my little tacker tent, and yeah, cold morning. Might try a few sort of light walks today. My legs are pretty sore after yesterday. And then, yeah, start getting ready to hit the road tomorrow. Big walks today. Today I'm just going to do the nature trail. It's not that far. It's a beautiful morning, very crisp and cold still, but sun's coming out. And look at that clear sky. Yeah. Hello? I do love these little nature trails that national parks seem to be putting into most of their big locations now. It's like an intro to what else there is there. It's good, it's for anybody who isn't very able to walk massive walks. They can do one of these and experience a lot of what's here. What a beautiful morning. Well, I stayed still long enough. I finally got some footage of a platypus. Well, that's that. That's the end of the nature trail at Carnarvon Gorge. Beautiful. That was a few rewards for that this morning. Absolutely loved it. Platypus, little birds, beautiful sounds, sound of the river. Just awesome. And I came at about 7:30, between 7:30 and 8. That's a good time. And it's early May.